Now we have 3 Valentine's Day cards. Jonathan has written these himself.
Yep, I made them. I did it on a computer and I printed them out on the printer.
Man, you are a romantic.
Business writing.
Business writing. Now, 3 Valentine's Day cards. Now, they're in the Romance languages. One is in Spanish, one is in French, and one is in Italian. Each one could be a prize or a zonk. I need you to pick one. Keith, Jay, pick yours.
Spanish.
Let me see the Spanish one. Feliz Dia de San Valentín, mi amor.
Well, we've always wanted to go to Paris, so I think we got to go with the French.
Gotta go.
Jonathan, you can read the French one.
Joy, you see Saint Valentini, mon amour.
Do it right. You speak French.
Joyeux Saint Valentin, mon amour.
See, that was so nice. And this is the Italian. Buon San Valentino, amore mio. Hey. Mario Vespucci. So, let's start with the card in Spanish. Do you think that this is a zonk or a great prize, or you can take curtain number 1? Hey, Tiffany.
Bonjour, Wayne.
Ah. Buongiorno's Pizza. So, curtain 1 or keep your card.
Oh, man. Okay. Ooh. What are we going to do? What do you want to do?
Okay. What should we do?
We're going to go one. We're going to go one.
We're going to go one.
We're going to go
We're
one.
going one, Wayne.
Okay, so let's open your card.